What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Fuel Your Body Italian Beef Sliders meal. Put this up here for you guys. Look at that. So I got some nice beef, sweet potatoes, and broccoli in here. Also comes with their garlic sauce. So with the Italian beef sliders, we're looking at 429 calories, 48 grams of protein, 28 grams of carbohydrates, and 14 grams of fat. The ingredients: lean beef, potatoes, vegetables, garlic sauce, olive oil, and seasoning. May contain nuts, gluten-free, and dairy-free. I heat this up for a minute and 30 seconds, and it's cooked perfectly. Smells delicious. There's nice seasoning on the potatoes. The sweet potato smells delicious. So, I'm going to dig into this here and let you guys know what I think. The beef looks really nice. Really well seasoned. Like, I don't even want to use the sauce in that. It tastes so good. Sweet potato has a really nice consistency to it. Typically, whenever I cook sweet potato, it does not turn out like this. And this has been microwaved, so it held a really great consistency. Their garlic sauce is amazing. I am a huge fan of it, and I know a lot of other people are too. I see it on their Instagram all the time. Oh yeah. It was perfect with the chicken that I had the other day, and it's perfect with the beef here. Try some of the broccoli here in the garlic sauce. Yeah, this beef's really high quality. Tastes great on its own or mixed with the garlic sauce. Tremendous. I'll give it a couple more bites here. I'll give my review of this meal. Yeah, so I'm going to give the Italian beef sliders an 8.5 out of 10. What I like best about this meal is the beef is seasoned perfectly, tastes really well on its own or with the garlic sauce that comes with it. Pairs perfectly with the sweet potato and the broccoli. Overall, very healthy meal. The sweet potato's texture is fantastic. As I mentioned, I can't even cook sweet potato this nice, so I'm very impressed with this. It has a little bit of seasoning on both the beef and the sweet potato, so it has a nice flavor to it. Overall, 8.5. So you can find Fuel Your Body online at eatfyb.ca. And you can also find them on Instagram at eatfyb. You can shoot them a message. You can buy a one-time meal, or you can buy a meal plan on there and save some money. Really great value for what you're getting. And it's all quality, sourced on PEI. It's all really great quality meat and vegetables, and it's all sourced here on PEI, which is really, really nice. Yeah, very high quality, delicious. Go check them out. Italian beef sliders, one of my new favorites. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go check out Eat Fuel Your Body, and you can check out some of my other video reviews of their meals. Thank you guys for watching.